If your paycheck disappears the moment it hits your account, this video is for you. Let me show you how to start saving $1,000 a month. Yes, even if you're not making a lot. In this video, we'll cover a simple 4-step plan to help you cut expenses, budget smarter, and actually keep more of your money. No fluff, no finance jargon, just real strategies that work. Step 1. Track every dollar. Step 1 is awareness. You can't fix what you don't track. For 30 days, record every dollar you spend. Rent, food, coffee, streaming services, everything. You can use apps like Mint, YNAB, or just a Google Sheet. You'll be surprised where your money is leaking. Step 2. Build a budget that works. Now it's time to give your money a job. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt. But if you're trying to save $1,000, you might need to flip that. 50% to needs, 20% to wants, and 30% to savings, even 40% if you're aggressive. Step 3. Automate and downsize. Here's a secret. Saving is easier when you don't touch the money. Automate a transfer to your savings the moment your paycheck hits. Next, reduce your fixed expenses. Can you live with a roommate? Can you cancel subscriptions you rarely use? Meal prep instead of Uber Eats. Step 4. Earn more, even a little. Sometimes it's not a spending problem. It's an income problem. A small side hustle can make all the difference. Consider freelance work, gig apps, or flipping items on Facebook Marketplace. Even $200 a week adds up fast. Track your money. Budget smart. Automate your savings. Cut what doesn't matter. And find ways to earn just a little more. Do that consistently, and you'll hit $1,000 a month faster than you think. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more no BS money tips. Comment below. What's one expense you're cutting this month? Let's build smarter habits together.